What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy J to the RGL. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Now, in this particular video, here's what we are going to be doing. So, I also have another channel. It's a car channel. It's called Time to Hondas. So, if you are into Civics, Honda Civics, whatever it is, making them fast, boosting them, go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. But you're probably wondering, why am I talking about that? Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to take GoPro audio when you're using an external mic. Like this particular mic I have on, I don't know if you can see it. I use that with my GoPro camera. Now, the problem with that is it plays the sound in the left side. It's mono, and I'm trying to do a stereo sound. If you do not have an application, a video application that's going to correct that for you, you have to account for it. So how I account for it, and I also want to make the sound a little bit better, is I use Presonus Studio One. So let's go ahead. We've already dropped the audio for this particular video right here that I'm sitting up here editing. Bam, I'm editing that video. I already said that. And we took the audio from it, and now we're fixing to change it. Now here's what I'm talking about. So you got this right here. I know better with the plan. It was the shit small one. So I can tell you what I was talking about. See how they switch? Well, the easy way to do it, change that to mono. So I can tell you what I was talking about when I say. So in Studio One, you just hit that button, and now it's a mono track. And when you are recording with a GoPro, it really doesn't matter if it's stereo or not. That's not the purpose of the video that you're making. What up, guys? So there has been a change of events. Now, what I also do, because I'm in here anyway, is you may as well try to make it sound a little bit better. Get your audio pumping and right, you know what I'm saying? So we are just going to use fat channel. For some reason, I've been using fat channel a lot. We are not going to use no gate for this, because that will sound horrible because of all of the background noise. This is not like making music. It's more or less. Well, it's not more or less. It's not like making music. This is essentially audio from a video. So let's go ahead and see if we can make it sound just a little bit better. We already got it in mono. What up, guys? So there has been a change of events. I was almost done putting the cams back in, torquing down the cam caps, and I snapped 2 cam cap bolts. 100% my fault. I over-torqued them. I got the torque specs wrong. Now I'm only trying to, you see the meter jumping. I'm just aiming for 3 dBs. What up, guys? So there has been a change of events. I was almost done putting the cams back in, torquing down the cam caps, and I snapped 2 extractor. Okay, hoping that will work. Now you notice the mic sounds different because while I'm in the car, if you saw the video, I'm using this mic. When I'm come over here, which is when it's in mono, as you can see, I'm using a lapel mic because I'm walking around and stuff, switching the camera front to back, and that messes up the sound tremendously. So we got to use a microphone. So extractor, okay, hoping that will work. So we're going to tune this based on this particular track because it sounds better. Extractor. So we're just going to add a little EQ. I don't know why I love using, well, we'll just use standard. Extractor, okay, hoping that will work. This is the boat that's messed up. Put that like that. These are the boats that I got at Ace Hardware. And I'm watching over here to see what my letters are because I want to bump it up, but I don't want to bump it up that much to where it starts distorting. So let's come over here to the limiter. Turn that down to -1. It should be loud enough. Extractor, okay, hoping that will work. This is the not much. This is the boat that's messed up. Put that like that. These are the boats that I got at Ace Hardware. Very, very similar. It's about as similar as you can get for it not to be. Okay, now you see how much better that sounds. Extractor, okay, hoping that will work. This is the on. Off. This is the boat that's messed up. Now let's come over here to this to the audio where I'm using the GoPro mic, which is trash. If you're interested in Corvette content, go check out my other channel. So now I gotta find a chisel. I think I'm gonna try a chisel. I have an easy out coming, but I'm impatient. I wanna try this chisel first, see if I can get that to work. See, when you're editing over this with a different mic and you're coming over here, it's a different mic, different setup. I'm sitting outside in a car. You don't want to start editing this audio and it makes this sound horrible. So you always want an A and B. So now I gotta find a chisel. Really? No, that is not a Honda Civic. That is my Corvette. Really? So now that we got that, then there's only one thing left to do. Okay, boom, this is how I do it. We got that over there, so we're going to export it. So that's what we do. We'll export mix down, and I'm going to move this to my video mix down, and we'll just do Civic audio mix. Oh, fail. This folder. Paste that right there to file name. We may as well do that to that. Who cares? We got wave between the loops. Hit OK. 9 minutes. That's a long time. We'll have to speed this up because nobody's gonna watch it that long. Okay, so now that that is done, with that, we can come back over here to the editing software. I don't know what software y'all use, but I use Wondershare Feel More because it's inexpensive for one, and then number two, I don't need nothing too fancy. I just need what I need, and it is perfect for it. So if you're interested in that, if you do YouTube videos, I highly advise you to go check out that software. Might put a link to that in the description as well. So now let's bring that track down here, and then we got that all done. Now let's listen to the original. I mean, you can just look at the difference just in the audio. So let's mute that. But today is just so beautiful. Go to the beginning. What up, guys? So there has been a change of. Okay, that's what that sounds like. Sounds like bull coin. Let's see what this one sounds like. What up, guys? So there has been a change of events. I was almost done. It just sounds way much better, if that's a thing. If way much better is a thing. So now you just want to make sure you delete all of the tracks in your program, and boom, we fixing to export. Yeah. What did I say? More problems with the and we are all good to go. Hope you got something out of this video. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.